Hi everybody. Welcome to another Mrs. Picard Reviews. Today we're going to look at photosynthesis and respiration and how the two are connected. Now, remember, our very first set of notes was on photosynthesis and respiration, so go ahead and make sure that you take a look at those to get a little additional review and some background on photosynthesis and respiration. Let's look at how they're connected. First, let's start with photosynthesis. The purpose of photosynthesis is to use that light energy and capture that light energy in the chloroplast in the form of glucose. This process of photosynthesis produces C6H12O6 or sugar and oxygen as the products. Inside the mitochondria of the cell, that glucose and oxygen is used by the mitochondria for cellular respiration, where that glucose is broken down and the energy is released from the glucose to produce chemical energy in the form of ATP. In the process of cellular respiration, carbon dioxide and water are released from the mitochondria. And now the cycle begins again. The carbon dioxide and water, along with light energy, are used by the chloroplast in the light and dark reactions in the process of photosynthesis to produce sugar, and the cycle continues on and on. Remember that plant cells have both chloroplast and mitochondria because they have both photosynthesis and cellular respiration processes. In animal cells, there are no chloroplasts for photosynthesis, and so we must get our sugar and our carbohydrates, we must get them through the food that we eat. Through the food we eat, we get the glucose, and our mitochondria can go through cellular respiration. So as a quick refresher, plant cells do both photosynthesis and respiration, whereas animal cells only do respiration and get their glucose from the food that they eat. Remember, this is a cycle where the outputs of photosynthesis are the inputs of mitochondria, and the outputs of mitochondria become the inputs for photosynthesis. This has been another Mrs. Picard Reviews.